Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to fix Telegram code SMS problem iPhone. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, start by opening the Settings app on your iPhone. Here, tap on the cellular option. Make sure the switch next to cellular data is turned on so your device can receive messages and verification codes properly. After that, tap on cellular data options and enable the toggle next to data roaming. Even if you are not traveling, this option can sometimes help your phone receive verification messages more reliably. Once you've enabled it, return to the Telegram app and request the verification code again to see if it now arrives. If the Telegram app still isn't sending the confirmation code, then the next step is to adjust your iMessage settings. Open the Settings app again, scroll down and tap on Apps. From the list of apps, locate Messages and tap on it. Now disable the toggle next to iMessage. Wait for about a minute, then turn iMessage back on. This can refresh your messaging services and often fixes delays in receiving SMS verification codes. After turning iMessage back on, go back to Telegram and request the code again to check if the problem is resolved. If the code still hasn't arrived, then you should disable message filtering on your iPhone. Open the Settings app once more, scroll down to Apps, and locate Messages again. Tap on it, then scroll down to the Message Filtering section. Select Unknown and Spam, and turn off the Filter Unknown Senders option. When this feature is enabled, your iPhone may block or hide verification codes from apps like Telegram. After disabling it, return to Telegram and try requesting the code once more. If you still don't receive the code, the next option is to use a VPN. Open the Settings app and look for the VPN option. Turn on the switch next to VPN. Once your device connects to a VPN, return to the Telegram app and try requesting the verification code again. Sometimes using a VPN helps bypass regional restrictions or carrier issues that may prevent verification messages from arriving. If none of these steps work, then uninstalling and reinstalling Telegram can help. To do this, tap and hold the Telegram icon on your home screen until a menu appears. Tap on Remove App, then select Delete App. Confirm your choice by tapping Delete again. Once the app is removed, open the App Store and search for Telegram. Tap the download icon to reinstall it. Then tap Open. Follow the on-screen instructions to sign into your Telegram account again. After reinstalling the app, Telegram will refresh all permissions and settings, and you should now be able to receive your verification code without any issues. And that's it. So that's basically how you can fix Telegram code SMS problem iPhone. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.